That's my headset, bro. And plus, I'm doing dishes right now. Yeah. 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 Oh no, it's still under deck. Yeah. 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 I love all types of decks, bro. Black, white, white weenie, white aggro, sometimes red aggro, all kinds of decks, bro. But sometimes there's a deck that I would really like to play. And there's a land card that would make sure all your cards are destroyed and from the graveyard out of place. So, yeah. Oh, and this is Crazy Word Command. Sorry, I'm also Crazy Magic Hawk fan. Yeah, I found my body camera, so. Yeah. Left Rig. Reggie. Outside clear? Okay. You go outside. Go. Go. Come on. Good. Yeah. She's soaked this. Because it's covered in butter. Most of you guys know I'm talking to my friends. Okie dokie, here we go. Looks like my uncle's watching wrestling. Is Brianna really gonna do it? The Discord? Which is cool. So what else is new? Going to Eric. Freaking Eric A. You know, a funny thing though, he made me his guest host on his YouTube channel. Yeah, he does. He's called Captain Eric 398. He sits there for 5 seconds and talks about, I'm going to work. Yeah, sometimes. And he talks more than 5 seconds. Like 15 seconds. And sometimes I get his fucking notification that he doesn't, that he posts everything on YouTube. And sometimes he talks about D&D and he talks about work. I guess he's a D&D-aholic. Yeah, sometimes he just drives me nuts. He's like another Clay. Sorry, Clay. I didn't mean to put it underneath the bus. Where did Clay go, Larry? Hey, Larry, where did Clay go? Larry, you still there? Larry? Are you there? Okay, I was just asking where'd Clay go. Hey. Yeah. All he talks about on his YouTube channel sometimes is like, why even bother talking about work if you're going to talk about D&D? And why even bother talking about D&D when you're at work? Which is kind of stupid. He's like Clay kind of a little bit. Always focusing on one stupid thing after another sometimes. Except for Clay doesn't focus on stupid things. He focuses on news, so. Which is kind of weird. Sometimes he focuses on random stuff that he gets too distracted, and during the game he plays Humbletch. Yeah, he focuses on one thing and another. We try to tell him, hell no. Humbletch. We try to tell him, hell no. I think we should kick his ass out of our guild. Or until he learns his fucking lesson. What do you think, Butch? You hate to fucking say it? Yeah. Yeah, it sucks. And he doesn't listen, so. Man. Not me though. So, Butch, what you been watching, dude? "2023, Clay. One more year before our 20th reunion, huh, Larry?" Nope, it's not on Valentine's Day. We don't know when our 20-year reunion is, Clay. So, you should have told Eric me, hell no, you're not doing that to the staff. You're not making her to do anything. That's what I could have said. I think you should tell him that. Stick up for the staff every once in a while, Butch. Be firm and also say, hell no, she ain't gonna do it. What would you guys think, Larry? That Eric may should not make a staff do have like discord.
Discord.
Sometimes you gotta be firm with that guy, because he doesn't pay attention. You gotta be firm with them.
Burn him, dude. Burn.
Yep. Instead of being soft-spoken and laid back, you should be more firm and tough there, Butch. Saying, well, wait and see is not gonna get you anywhere. Sorry, dude. Being firm and soft-spoken at the same time, it's not gonna get you anywhere, bro. Which I'm sorry.